Barcelona para mawala yung Barcelona character nila sa bagong character ni Gabel Dos, direct?
Hindi ko naman kailangan panood kasi pinanood ko siya out.
Oo, nakasupport ka siya.
Yung premiere night, nandun ako.
Oo.
I know the project because I'm also a fan of Campion. So, I know what they've done. So, in terms of attacking the characters para sa movie na to, we make sure that it's a new, we're giving something new.
Actually, diba po?
Siyempre nung umpisa, kasi when we started filming, it was shortly after Barcelona. So, parang sandali pa lang yun eh. It was we were still on a high sa Barcelona when they said that the next film I was gonna do was with them. So even sila, parang sure na ba mag-shoot na tayo? So when we were filming, like first shooting day namin, talaga sinasabi sa niya, boy, si Ellie yan. Si Ellie, nakikita ko na siya rin. Parang sabi ko, loosen up ka, loosen up, this is different. Si Mia, nakikita ko na shake it off, shake it off.
Grabe ang accident sa dalawa doon, ano?
Oo, kasi seryoso ng dalawa. Parang sabi, loosen up. But it's good that we started early because they had a chance to, parang pumasok sa sistema nila na, okay, shake off, cut na muna tayo sa Barcelona, shake off Ellie and Mia, now you are Dos and you are Gab. So they were given enough time to get into it. But every day talagang nag-take 7 kami because seryoso pa masyado. But it's okay because that's what we need to shake it off. You don't just take it off right away kasi they were doing Barcelona for such a long time, di ba? So parang nagtagal na si Ellie at si Mia sila.
Grabe yung characterization binigay sa kanila ng Ellie.
It's also difficult for them as actors to just, snap out of it.
Exactly.
So, buti na rin and of course, because they're very good actors, they were able to get out, shake it off, and then move on sila to their new characters.
So, yung nakaka-happy characters na sa trailer, sobrang nakaka-happy.
You will love them. As in, you will love them. Remember habang nag-edit ako, and even now sa post-product music and all, parang tuwa ako sa pinagkakagawa nila. Kasi I love it even more because talagang may mga ginawa sila that walang patumpik-tumpik they did it. Wala yung pinagkakagawa na nothing. I did not hear anything from them. They just went on and did it. Parang kailangan gawin nila.
Wow! Looking forward sa 8:50 sa showing. Thank you, Direk. Kita eto, si Jojo ba? Sa kasi yeah, si George. Hi, Joe.
Direct ko lang, every year naman, yung sinasabi na biggest summer movie, but this time, why is this the biggest summer movie? Ano yung mga elements na pinag-isipan na to make this the biggest? Ang kasi pati ante na madaming competition ng Netflix na ito.
It is the biggest summer movie because, well, one, you have the premiere doing a movie this summer. It's feel good, and it's a rom-com, yet there's more to it than just being a rom-com film. So, hindi siya yung all fluff, kuchi-kuchi lang, nagpapakute lang sila. Pag pinanood mo ito, lalabas ka ng sinihan, may take home ka. So, it's not just a summer movie that's just gonna make you feel the summer vibe. It's going to make you think about a lot of things. And meron kang ma-affect ang lives ninyo because of the characters, because of the story.